Listen to me very well. If you don't learn this, you will never make money trading crypto, forex, or any trading activities. You will never make money. You will always be losing money. Please, you need to follow my instruction. This video is about risk management. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. If you don't follow my instruction in this video, you are going to lose all your money and learn sense. Okay, don't say I scandal didn't tell you. So many people have been asking me to do a video about risk management. Now this is the video for you. If you don't follow instructions, don't come and tell me that you have lost all your money. Okay. So for my strategy, I follow the trend. If the market is in a sideways, I don't trade. So last week, what we did was we were trading Ethereum. So let me just go to Ethereum, ETH. And what you need to know is that if Bitcoin is falling, Ethereum will be falling and all the altcoins will follow. If Bitcoin is rising, Ethereum will be rising and all the altcoins will follow. This is a 1 day time frame, or let's go. This is a 1 day time frame of Ethereum. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, this was the trades that we took here. We took trades that was last 2 weeks. They went well. We took another trace here. If you observe, my trades are always 1:3. When we say 1:3, if I'm risking $100, I'll be making $300 back. If I'm risking $200, I'll be making $600 back. If you risk $1, you'll be making $300 back. That's how my strategy works. I only follow the trend. So for example, this is our current trade on Ethereum, and Ethereum is in a downtrend, right? We all know that. Looking at the current market condition, Ethereum is falling, Bitcoin is falling. What we can do is we'll just click on short position here. Then we'll add it to the entry level here. Remember, we risk 1:3, right? 1:3. So I'll drag this particular thing to this level, okay, to make it 3. Now this is our current support. In our daily time frame, this is our current support around here. So I'm risking, let's say for me, I don't risk more than 2% of my account. I don't risk more than 2%. Let's go to Binance. So on Binance, this is the total amount I have. Today I withdraw about $400 to do some things. So I now have $1,500 in my futures wallet right now making this video. What I need to do is I'll go back to trading view, right? Anytime you select a coin, whether you are going to buy it or sell it, once you add your short position, or if you are thinking the market will go up and you add your long position, just double click on it. So when you double click on it, type in 1,500 here. That's your account size, 1,500. Please type 1,500. Okay, when you type 1,500, you can see my risk is already 2%. On my Bybit accounts, I was having $500. Now it's around $800. That's why I added 500 here. On my Binance, I have 1,500. That's why I made the risk. The risk is now 2%. So I'll click on OK. So after clicking on OK, please watch the video very closely. Pay attention. QTY is the quantity. That's your margin. They said we should enter 0.873 as our quantity. So I'll go back to Binance, go to the perpetual sections here and search for ETH. ETH. Then I'll click on OK section here. Okay. Now that I've changed it to Ethereum, we already know they said we should use 0.8 something, but we are not going to do that yet. The most important part of the video is always calculate the risk. So you click on the calculator at the right hand side. When you click on the calculator, for me, I usually go with 100x leverage for Ethereum. When I go for 100x leverage, we are selling, so I'll click on short. After clicking on short, I will click on the entry where I'm going to enter the market. So I will go back to trading view, double click on it. Then my entry is here. Look at the entry price, $2,233. We have $2,233. Then the exit price, where we want to exit the market should in case the price doesn't go in our favor. Before you add your profit level, make sure you already calculate your stop loss. So first of all, we are going to copy the stop level. Stop level, please, stop level. Okay, then you copy these numbers. We'll go back to Binance calculator, paste it, right? Now we'll enter the figures, the quantity figures. They were saying we should enter 0.873. 0.873 as our stop, as our quantity. 0.873. Okay, this is okay. 0.87 is okay. Then I click on sometimes this calculator doesn't work. Let's redo it again. Let's just redo it. Okay, let me connect my Binance to this particular. Let me just connect my Binance, right? So I'm just going to connect Binance here. Okay, let's connect Binance trading panel. Click here. Then I'll click here. I'm going to connect my Binance account to it so that it will be easier. Okay, so for me, I am selling this trade. I'm just using it to demonstrate, because some of you just drag the margin without calculating. So please, what I told you is very important. Try and understand this video. So you can see I have 1,499, right? And I'm going to enter this trade. So after clicking on this particular place here, I'm just going to go back to Binance, click on the calculator section. When I click on the calculator section, my leverage 100x, we are selling. We have 100x. Our entry price is $2,233. Our exit price is 2,200 and what? 67. So we have it to be 67. Then our quantity. So our quantity is how much we are going to risk on this trade, right? How much our margin, how much of our margin. And remember, we are using 2% of our margin. So 2% of the $1,500 is 0.873. So we enter 0.873 here. 0.873. Then we'll click on OK section. This particular thing doesn't want to work today. I don't know why. But this is how you do it. Okay, let's just enter the amount here, the margin. So now we are just going to enter the margin 0.873. Then we'll change this particular place to market, right? So if we are going to use 2% of the account, 2% will be 2%. Let's change it. Let's change it to 2%. So we drag it to 2%. Okay. So when we drag it to 2%, now you are going to add your target, your take profit here, and your stop loss. We know our stop loss is here, where the red line is. So our stop loss is 2267. So we'll enter our stop loss. Our stop loss is 2267. Then we'll enter our take profit. So we know our take profit to be around 2103. 2103, right? After entering the 2103, we'll just click on sell. So we are using $29. 2% of $15,000 is almost $30, right? So you can even search it on Google. So you can search it around 2% here. Okay, you can just search it. Shift 2% of 1,500. That's your total account balance. That's about $30. Okay, they'll answer it for us. So you can even see it's $30. So that means we are risking $30 to make let's say $90 back. $90. This trade is even 1:3.8. 1:3.8. That's about If we enter this trade and it goes well, we are going to make uh, about $100 from this. So this is how I trade. That's why I can lose 3 trades and just win one, and everything will go well for me. So for now, I'll not even enter a trade because the market is consolidating. Since yesterday we didn't trade because of what the market is currently doing. You only enter a trade when you see a clear trend. That's how I look at trading. I follow the trend, and once I get 150% or 200% of my price, I just move my stop loss to entry and close 50%. This is how I manage my trade. So please, now you don't have any excuse not to make money trading crypto. Remember what I said. First of all, you go to trading view, calculate your position size, come to your Binance margin entry here and add it. We use 1:3. That means if you are risking $30, you must make at least $60 from the trade. At least you should not make less than $30, please. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you are not in the private mentorship group, try and get into it because I share investment opportunities.